The large box of cotton swabs, 500, is coincidentally close to 8.5 inches. So if you're like I am, your shoelace is going to be about 8.5 inches. So I'm going to order either the 8 or the 9, depends on how loose the stuff is. How loose my bracelet is. The end box of it is 3 inches. So if you have, say, 2 of them, that's going to give you 6 inches of length, which is once again what the average supposedly is. Ketchup, approximately 4.5 inches. So if you've got a small wrist and your tape or your shoelace measures the ketchup bottle, it's 4.5 inches. Toilet paper. Surprisingly, because it has to fit into the toilet roll, they're consistent, so it's going to be once again the 4.25. If you got a really small wrist, that's 4.25 for toilet paper. Favorite lunchtime bachelor meal is about 7 inches. The end is going to be about 3.5. So if you have 2 of those, you're going to have 7 inches for your shoelace measurement. For the canners out there, a 1 quart is the same thing, 3.5. So 2 of them are going to be 7, about 7 inches. If you've got your shoelace measurement at 7 or that long, then it's going to be about 7, 2 quarts. So if you put that back to back, about 7 inches. Margarine container. That's about the average 6 inches again. Oops. Let me get out of there. Yes. So that's going to be your average 6 inches. So if your shoelace measurement measures the diameter, it goes across the widest part of the circle of the diameter of the lid, that's going to be 6 inches. For us older folks that still remember these, they're just over 2 inches. So if you've got a 6-inch tape measure that you went around your bracelet to size your bracelet to purchase off my Treasures of Copper website, Etsy site, then as you can see, you're going to need about 6 inches, 3 Rubik's Cubes. The business card is 3.5 inches. That's about 3.25 inches. So if you're looking for a 6.5 or 6-inch measurement, that's going to be 2 business cards. Easier one is the 2 inches. It's on the side. So if you once again have yourself a 6-inch shoelace measurement that you took for your bracelet that you're going to order from Treasures of Copper on my Etsy store, then you can just size that to 3 of them, which is going to give you 6 inches. Another one is money. Yes, it's not 1970 something. This is actually 2019 I'm doing, but I just happened to have to put that into my collection here soon, so it was handy. And yes, I am Canadian. And the handmade stuff is in Canada. So either 8, money is about just a little under 6 inches. So if your shoelace measurement is just a little over what a Canadian dollar or Canadian bill would be, then you're looking at ordering a 6-inch length. Once again, this is just a little under 3 inches to go this side. So if you're wanting to do just about a 5-inch length that your bracelet came on, or that you did your shoelace measurement on, that's going to be 2 bills long, or 2 of the side of the bills long, and that's going to be the 5-inch that you're going to want to order. So once again, all my handmade creations are on Treasures of Copper.